Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
anti-theft remote starters.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
So, I'm not touching the key. When we walk towards the vehicle, you're gonna hear it unlock. The door is unlocked. Close the door. Walk away from the car. And the door is locked. And here's the remote start-stop function. So you just hold down the panic button. And you're gonna see it start up here in a sec. There you go. And to turn the car off, you just hold down the panic button again. And that's how you turn it off. And it locks automatically when it's remote started. There you go. So it's a pretty
Lost your keys? Again? Gosh. Don't spend all your time and money replacing your keys at the dealership. Replace your lost or broken remote car key quickly and easily with Keyless to Go. Easy to program on your own with straightforward directions and instructional videos available for many vehicles. We have remotes for most of the vehicles on the road today. Each car key replacement comes complete with batteries and has been pre-tested to ensure quality and functionality. Don't waste your time and money with anyone else. Keyless to Go is your go-to replacement for car keys and remotes.